Kevin here from Scanlon Contracting. Are you tired of throwing money out the window? Here are some questions about replacement windows from a Coast resident.
What should I look for in replacement windows?
Quality vinyl or fiberglass with a lifetime guarantee.
Why vinyl or fiberglass?
Vinyl and fiberglass need little or no maintenance. Wood, however, needs constant protection from the harsh coastal conditions.
Are they worth it?
They're an investment, repaid through energy savings, less maintenance, property appreciation, and weatherization grants.
Weatherization grants?
Yes, for those who qualify, there are federal and state funds as well as tax credits.
Thanks, Kevin.
For home or business needs, call Kevin at Scanlon Contracting, 707-367-3555.
Follow Scanlon Contracting on Facebook.